हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। गलतियां सब करते हैं बट दूसरों की गलतियां को सुन के हंसना भी चाहिए बट सीखना भी चाहिए। तो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क सुनील सर कि एज अ सेकंड इंजीनियर वन सिली मिस्टेक अगेन दैट ही रिमेंबर्स एंड से यार नहीं यार खराब हुआ। चलिए बताइए सर।
What happened? We wanted to transfer the sludge to the waste oil tank because then in the evening it will evaporate and then morning we'll run the incinerator. So I asked this motorman, okay, you transfer this. In the meantime, he was transferring this one, and normally our practice was that that person will remain there. Okay, so he will remain there till the level is reached, and then he will stop it from the incinerator platform only. But in the meantime, I required him, and I gave him bells, and he came and he told that this transfer is going on, and I said no, I'll take care.
I'll take care. साहब sludge pump चल रहा है साहब.
Yeah, it's running. Yeah, I'll take care. It will take 5 minutes. This transfer will take 5 minutes, and I'll take care. No worry. I'm going there only. So I gave him this job, and he went to do that job, handing over the duty to me. And in the meantime, I was about to leave to go to this waste oil tank only, and in the meantime, this phone came from the bridge. They asked for something, and when they asked for something, this sludge pump, this got out of my mind, and I started doing what they had asked, and then after that, I was just sitting. And then suddenly this motorman comes up and says, sir, the whole engine room is black. I said, what happened? This oil from, you can imagine, normally the incinerator waste oil tank is one deck or two deck above the PCR deck. And then this oil has reached the bottom platform. You can understand from the by sleeping, passaging. So basically, 2 to 3 tons. Yeah, 2 to 3 tons from the BOT, which we were transferring to the waste oil tank, that has actually gone into the. So, into the entire engine room.
सर कितनी गालियाँ पड़ी सर आप?
गाली, they could not say it directly.
मन में तो पड़ी होंगी.
They could not say it directly, being a second engineer. So, but I felt the pain. I saw those galis in their eyes. But then I was also cleaning. I had to do. It was, although they were saying, "Nee, aap rehne do, you don't do," but it was my moral responsibility. I had to do it. So, for the cleaning part, I'll say, we cleaned it that day. So it became nice after like 3-4 hours of our exercise. But every few days, oil from some place will come out from the seepages and all. So during the entire contract, this sludge was always showing up and telling reminding me that this is because of you. This is because of you.
अब तुम दोबारा जिंदगी में गलती नहीं करोगे.
Exactly. So now the rule was 100% no matter what. Even if the general alarm sounds, you first stop this one, then only you should go. So that was clear after that one.
So guys, again, see, हंसी छिटोले हम कर रहे हैं.
Right.
These are learning lessons that you have to learn, and this is a very very common mistake. मैं कभी टाइम मिलेगा तो अपनी गलतियां बताऊंगा, आप हंस के पागल हो जाएंगे. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.